Nature is our greatest teacher. It offers us wisdom, peace, and the chance to grow together. Through the Silver Saplings project, nearly 3,500 people have experienced this firsthand. For over 4 years, Things Silver Saplings project has brought together people from all walks of life, delivering 745 days of outdoor learning to everyone from 5-year-olds to 95-year-olds, through activities like spoon carving, foraging, firelighting and nature walks. The project continues to inspire and connect communities.
Nature is amazing. Everything's amazing. And for me, in environmental education, if you provide a vehicle, a way to connect somebody with nature, nature will talk to them.
Through the Silver Saplings project, we've partnered with schools, bringing nature into the curriculum for thousands of children. From learning about plant life to discovering the wildlife on their doorstep, students have embraced the outdoors as their classroom.
We have to protect nature. On all costs, we have to protect nature because nature is really important for human, for people, animals, and plants.
I think it's really important to be outside to help nature and pick up all the rubbish.
I think it's more important to do things outside than inside because you can get fresh air. Also, it's better for our world so it's not all dirty.
I just feel like absolutely just ready and confident.
Being a kid outside, it's real happy. It's real good. It's just amazing to be a kid outside. Just brilliant.
Older adult groups, some in their 90s, have found a sense of connection with nature. These activities, from foraging to riverside walks, improve physical mobility and enhance social connection, fostering mental and emotional well-being.
We just have a good laugh.
We do.
Yeah.
Good for you, very good for your mental health.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's very good for my husband's mental health. He gets rid of me for 4 hours or 5 hours on a Friday afternoon once a month.
I just look forward to it so much. And I've learned a lot.
The people are just so friendly.
I think it keeps you young. I don't feel myself as retired. You know, it just sort of lights everything up. It sort of brings you alive.
Well, I think we range from about 60 to 90. And, age doesn't seem to hinder us because there's such a lot of help given to us. If there's any difficult terrain or anything, there's always somebody to hold on to.
For me, well, besides the isolation, without it, people will just be in their houses, not seeing much, not doing much. So it's good for their mental health, their well-being, as much as it is physically.
Families have come together through Wild Things, sharing in the experience of learning and connecting with the natural world. Whether through coastal exploration, forest adventures or foraging for food, these moments are strengthening bonds and building memories.
When we're together as a family, we're enjoying that time and making those memories and having those moments together. But also, for me being here, learning lots of different things. And now when we have days in the forest together, we'll be able to remember that and do that again.
I've been doing this with my family because I like it because there's beautiful nature around us. My favourite activity has been making the dance. It's nice to have your family around. Because it's fun.
Silver Saplings isn't just about learning, it's about fostering community. We've partnered with over 50 organisations each year, including charities, schools and social services, to create lasting social connections and to build stronger, more resilient communities.
The last group was for children adults with learning disabilities and stuff like that, and they come down to Larsh to do the work, making arts and crafts and woodwork.
Yeah, I think it's just pitching things at a level where everyone's going to understand, and I think Roz and Jamie have done that really well. I think just being outdoors is of such a great benefit to everyone.
We're learning about insects, and it's nice to get out a bit more and feel quite good and do crafty things quite nice to relax and
sitting outside was the best thing in the world.
95% of participants said that they had learned something about nature, while 90% discovered more about their own community. Together we're planting the seeds of environmental stewardship and encouraging future generations to care for the world around them.
People I know have just picked them in my whole life, so being inside just locks all my angers in, and then outside just releases it into a calm, happy phase. I never liked friends, but when I met Jack and came out here, we got closer and we made more stronger best friend friendship.
Our programs don't just enhance knowledge, they change lives. 87% of participants reported improvements to their physical or mental well-being, while 90% wanted to do more with Wild Things. Join us to learn, explore and protect nature, ensuring it thrives for future generations to come.